Ayan na si Kayak. Kayak mo. Oh my God, third spot. Day 4 of our Palawan trip and day 3 on our Port Barton. Our activity for this today is mag-island hopping tayo. Supposedly, this is our activity yesterday. But since there's a sudden change of schedule, so ngayon yung ating island hopping. We will be doing island hopping with Joey Ronda. Siya pa rin yung ating tour guide ngayon. Sa kanya pa rin po tayo nag-book. So yung island hopping is 1,200. This is a combination island hopping. Unlike noon, bago pa nag-pandemic, meron silang tour A hanggang tour D. Pero since pandemic na at saka yung bagyong Odette is may mga isla na hindi pa nag-open, tsaka may mga isla na nasira na. So yung mga natitirang isla na lang yung pupuntahan namin. Kaya ginawa na lang siya ng isang tour, which is tawag nila is combination tour. 1,200 pa rin yung bayad per boat. Inclusive na doon yung guide, yung boat, at saka yung ating free lunch, at saka all of the entrances sa islands. A total of 6 destinations na tayo today. So, probably dalawa lang daw yung yung island talaga. Tapos, may mga sandbars, at saka yung snorkeling area. So, yung meet-up point ng ating tour today is doon sa may Coast Guard ng beach line ng Port Barton. Medyo makulimlim po yung langit at saka may konting ambon. Good thing kasi hindi mainit. Sana hindi lang siya mahangin. So dyan banda tayo liliko papunta sa Coast Guard area ng beach line. Actually yung Coast Guard is doon na yun. So dito sa banda sa may beach line yung Coast Guard. Dyan yung meet up natin sa island hopping with Kuya Joey Ronda. So, ganito pala yung beach line pag high tide. So, ayun yung mga isla. Actually, yung mga island here sa Port Barton, yun, is malalapit lang siya. At saka napapalibutan siya ng isla kaya hindi siya masyadong maalon. Unlike sa Balabac. So, ayun na pala si Kuya Joey Ronda. Ayun na ang aming guide. Yun. So, yun yung nakasama namin yesterday. So, may kasama kaming dalawang French International na guest. Couple sila. So we already paid our environmental fee, which is 50 pesos per head. Tsaka dito din yung bayaran ng environmental fee. At saka na-pick up din kami ng travel manifest form. So mostly dito talaga yung spot ng ng meet up ng island hopping. That is the boat. May Carver Crystal Kayak. Ah ouais?
Les petits là, ils sont trop courts.
Lesquels?
Les petits. Tu veux rouler avec les dents?
Bah non. Je m'entends pas des fois, je fais comme maman.
Bah non.
We are off to our island hopping. First activity is snorkeling. This is our first activity and first activity. Ano meron dito, Jo?
Mano.
Babo. Mamaya makikita mo. So, Mang Crizel. Ay, ayun na. Ay. Our second destination, Exotic Island. Bakit daw tinawag na exotic? I-research nyo na lang. Sabi ni Joey. Our attention recalled kasi may pawikan daw. Somewhere in an exotic. Let us see, where is that pawikan? Is that? Oh. Can we, where? Ow! It's big! Oh!
Bunga nga yung gamitin mo paghinga, bunga nga.
Dito ka naglalagay dito? Dito lang po talaga yan. Wala na eh. That's it! Oh my gosh. Ano? This is the first time I have seen close. This turtle so close. Ayan na si Kayak. Kayak twist. JD. Lunch is always done. Almost done.
Hello, dog.
Saan ka pa hahanap? Drive pa ng motor, bangkero pa. Ano ginagawa mo, kuya?
Tatlo kasi asawa ko eh.
Baliw. Yan, preparing for lunch. Si kuya din, may artwork din si kuya. Oh.
Yeah.
Paano yun? Ano yun?
Magic.
Sige daw, kuya. Ano ginawa mo?
Nawala yung hiwa.
Wala yun.
Walang ilan. At the same. Oo.
Exotic Island. So we will move to our third destination for this afternoon. That's Joey, our friend from France. It's the brother of Joey. Third activity, third destination is snorkeling for the second time. Yan, this is the sandbar. This is what we call starfish sandbar. So maliit lang siya, pero pag mag-high tide kasi, so kaya medyo maliit lang yung sandbar. Pero pag low tide, naabot tayo siya hanggang doon. Oh my god, third spot. So we're now here at the White Beach Resort. This is will be our last stop. Actually, in original, hindi talaga ito siya kasali sa 1,200 na tour. Kasi lang nirequest ko kay Joey na kahit i-give up namin ng isang isla tapos pupunta kami ng White Beach. Kasi maganda talaga dito sa White Beach. Yeah. Ayun. So yung entrance dito is not included in the 1,200. You'll have to pay 50 pesos na lang for the entrance fee. At ang ganda dito, pwedeng mag-kayak. May mga I have friends over there na nag-kayak sila, nag-crystal. Ako tapos na ako nag-crystal kayak doon sa exotic island. Ibang experience din yung kayak. Kaya ayun. So this will be our last island before we'll be heading back to Port Python. At saka binayaan kami ng weather na hindi mainit. No, ayan.